energy. Now my people, in that video, I made a lot of points in that video and me never did I disrespect the government in a no form or shape. Now, personally, me still hold my point and me still believe that it is very unfair for the government talk about the people them nothing and make no video, because at the end of the day at the same video why we end up get so much help. Now, you can tell me why I wake up this morning and see a cease and desist letter from the government. When me tell you say these people are so petty, me mean say them petty.
Yes, guys. Missy, where Talk It As It Is podcast got a written warning that he must desist from saying anything towards the government. But, Mr. Prime Minister, isn't freedom of speech legal? I never knew freedom of speech was illegal. And the mere fact that I've never heard this young man disrespected you in any of his videos that he put out on YouTube. I've never heard him step out of line with you before. So why is he being warned again? Why are we getting the feeling that you don't want us to speak up and talk up when we see things going on wrongly in our country? When it regards to you or anyone relating to you, why are you trying to shut down these Jamaican people for speaking up and speaking their truth? You want all of us to sit back and relax and watch you do all type foolishness and we say nothing? We don't have a voice, eh? Well, Mr. Oldness, let me tell you this. We have a voice, we have a say in our country. We are Jamaicans with voices. And Mr. PM, please be reminded that the people of Jamaica did vote you in. You did not put yourself in as a PM. So the same people have a right to speak up, whether or not they vote for you. You understand me? And the people of Jamaica, whether they vote or didn't vote, have a right to speak, especially the ones who vote have a right to speak. One like me who vote has a right to speak. Anything me say when I look good, me attack, whether it be PMP or JLP, anywhere me think when me see now when I stay good, me I go speak up, me I go talk up when it come to my country, my beautiful island of Jamaica, and my beautiful people them. All when we bagga and turn bad, me I go speak up when it come to it. You hear? So yes, it's being as me find out say you have a problem with people that speak them truths and them right. And when people attack anything in regards to you, any like a verbal statement where you feel like them not supposed to say you have a problem with, Mr. PM, pull yourself together. Pull yourself together and stop it. People have a right to talk. Because aren't you talking? Because I'm quite sure that I see you talk about the people them where give out hurricane relief packages and remember help the people them help and you still have a problem with them talking. So why is it okay for you to talk about people but people is not okay to talk about you? No man, Mr. PM, come on. You must learn to take criticism. You must learn to take constructive criticism. And whether constructive or degrading criticism, if you are doing degraded stuff, you are gonna get degraded. If you are doing constructive things, you are gonna get constructive criticism. If you are doing the right things, people is gonna speak up on your behalf. But once you are doing a whole heap of bullshit, people are gonna speak up and speak up for their rights. And these people are only speaking up what they see and what they heard from your mouth. It's not no hearsay. Whatever we talk is what we hear from your mouth. You put a lot of stuff out there in the press, and what we capitalize on what you said, and we give our views and our points. Our opinion do values. Our opinion makes sense because we are the people. We are the people of Jamaica. Who you representing, sir? So why you think the people in where I represent are supposed to talk and speak up anything when they see you do wrong? Or if they see you do right, then speak up. Mr. PM, whatever you do, people are gonna talk, whether it be good or bad. If you do good, people are gonna talk good. If you do bad, people are gonna talk bad. I know this in life because I also myself have to learn this. And when you do 99 good and you want to make 100 you make mistake, people talk and drag you. And even when you do good, people still are gonna see it and behave as if you ain't doing no good. So, Mr. PM, if your problem is people talking about you, get with the program and grow up and learn to live with people talking about you, whether it be good or bad. If you're afraid I hear my granny used to say you can't name fish head, I me think about time for you in a house apart, for you in a parliament till long you're prime minister for how long, me think you should get used to people talking and bashing or people just saying however they feel about you. A full time now for you grow up and get used to it. People are gonna talk. Your name Prime Minister. Cause people will less than you and we not even have no value, people talk about much more you. We're a Prime Minister. Eh? Come on, man, Mr. PM. Do better than what you do. I say we better than what you do. Say. Stop going like you threaten people and I want people to talk. Stop going like people not have freedom of speech. Every Jamaican have a right to speak whatever they feel like saying. Once they are not disrespecting you and stepping out of line with you, they are free to speak up however they choose to speak. And whatever they choose to speak about, whenever they hear you make a speech or whatever you bring across on social media or wherever you want to bring it to. So leave the people them alone, make people them talk. And give them views and give them pint. Because you I give for your views and for your pint on social media too. So let go the people then shirt. And allow the people, let go the youth shirt, make the youth say what he must say. Him free to say what he want to say. Why you feel like say you feel come or whosoever you tell him say he must decease from what he must say and whatever. Hey, look here, Mr. PM, stop it here and get used to it. Get with the program, sir. Anyway, I know have a blessed day, you know.